Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the Sunrise Pop X YOLO Park Jujutsu Kaisen Yuji Itadori and Megumi Fushiguro. Okay, first ito yung front of the box. It's a window type packaging. You can see the figure here. Tapos meron siyang tray sa loob. You can see the toy photography here sa harap, and or rather the image of a toy here dito sa harap. Tapos dito sa gilid, action figure 01, and at the back action figure 01 Yuji Itadori Jujutsu Kaisen. You have the all of the accessories na naka-layout dito sa likod. You have the details, character details, may mga effect parts pa, may mga face switch outs. Thank you. Super nice ng gawa niya dito, Sunrise Pop X YOLO Park. Ang ganda ng base niya, malaki. Ito yung base, oh. Analo. Okay, dito naman sa second action figure 02 naman, si Yuji Itadori 01, si Megumi 02. So same layout, window type packaging, shot of the figure, action figure 02, details. Konti lang accessories niya. Mas marami yung kay Yuji, wala ako nung kay Gojo. Ito yung base niya, ang ganda. Blue naman or turquoise. Okay, so Sunrise Pop X YOLO Park. Okay, first we have Yuji. They stand around 7 inches tall. Ganun din si Megumi Fushiguro. Okay, right off the bat, shake test tayo. Wala naman siyang loose na joints. Okay naman yung build niya. There you go. Both are solid, both solid builds. And yung plastic niya medyo dito sa part na to medyo soft para ma-twist mo yung mga parts para hindi maghinder sa articulation niya. Okay, this one okay naman, so hard plastic. Okay, alright, the build is very solid. Paint application, ano bang paint ginamit dito? This one kasi dito painted, ano na to colored plastic na yung ginamit dito Yan. Yung uniform nila dito is more saturated than this. So hindi iba yung kulay na kanilang uniform. So this one is darker, this one is lighter. Iba yung hue niya, iba yung hue ng blue. Okay? So dito muna tayo kay Yuji. So start tayo dito sa face. You have the eyes, very nice paint application sa eyes, very sharp and crisp. You have the nose, the mouth, and the pink hair, spiky na pink hair. Okay, tapos sa likod you have the black portion ng kanyang hair, and then you have the red segment here, yung red cloth ng kanyang uniform. Then the buttons 1, 2, 3. Then the uniform's color is dark blue. Yun nga lang, hindi pantay yung hindi same yung color ng chest part dito sa kanyang torso and dito sa arms. So mas darker tong parts na to, ito mas lighter. So, mas blue siya. Then you also have the inner cloth here na red. Tapos you have the socks and the red na shoes. Very nice shoes though. And dito naman tayo kay Megumi Fushiguro. Very spiky hair. Be very careful dito. Sobrang talas ng kanyang buhok. Tapos sa halos same lang naman yung costume nila. Wait lang. Tingnan natin kung pareho yung mold. Iba yung mold. Iba yung mold ng kanilang bodies. So different molds kasi different din yung drapery ng kanilang mga clothes. So ito yung uniform niya. You have buttons here. Ito yung back. So medyo nakaangat lang yung portion, yung segment ng kanyang hair dito. Okay. So yan puro, it's a long sleeve type of uniform. You have the top and the bottom. Ito yung pants nila. Pareho lang din. Pareho lang din yung color. Pero yun nga, this one is lighter. Okay. Sa shoes, this one is color parang cargo brown or leather brown. Tanggalin lang natin yung yung mga blue tack. I-customize natin to eh. Okay, punta naman tayo sa accessories niya, no, ni Yuji Itadori. So meron siyang face ni Sukuna. Okay, tanggalin natin yung kanyang hair. Pull lang natin to apart. Tapos tanggalin din natin to kanyang face. And then replace natin to with Sukuna's face. Okay, and this one. Okay, nice. Ang ganda nung ang ganda nung Sukuna na face, na head sculpt, or na face sculpt rather. This one is the angry face, ito yung neutral face niya. Okay. In terms of articulation, tilt, move forward, back, rotation, yes. Arms can rotate. Kailangan, alisin lang natin. 360, kaya. Okay, 360. Tapos, up, outward, in. Merong bicep rotation. Double jointed na elbow. Very nice. Ball jointed yung kamay. Stretch, ab crunch, side to side, rotation. Yes, 360 pwede. I think meron din dito. Yes, meron din dito sa kanyang lower waist. Tapos, kick that far, back that far. Very nice bend, double jointed. And can you move this? Okay, spin. Okay, rotation sa kanyang thighs, and ball joint dito sa kanyang feet. Very nice. Ganda mga poses na magagawa natin dito. Okay, so ito naman yung accessories ni Yuji, ni Megumi. Isang neutral, isang mas angry, and ito yung mas angry na face or na head sculpt. And tapos sa kamay naman, meron siyang dalawang set of hand gestures. Ito yung Nue and Divine Dogs. Medyo challenging lang yung pagkabit nung dalawang kamay, kasi pagdidikit na talaga yung kanyang arms. Okay, for articulation, head, twist, okay, rotation, move, 360, arms, and go 360 din. Teka, ikot natin. Okay, pwede rin umikot. Fix lang natin to. Okay, may rotation din dito sa kanyang arm. Double jointed na elbow. Okay. Double jointed elbow. Okay, hanggang dito lang. Mas mataas yung articulation to ni Yuji. Bakit kaya? Ito. Okay, dahil dito. Okay, dahil dyan sa part na yun. Ay, hindi. Ito pala. Ayun. Okay. So, iba yung build ng kanyang sleeve. Dito may naka-extend na part. Hindi. Tama ba? Hindi, pareho lang pala. Okay. Double jointed elbow. You can twist here. Ab crunch. Stretch. Twist, and then you can also twist this 360, kick that far, bend that far, and then you can also spin the hips. May rotation din dito. Tapos ball joint yung paa. Okay, so tapos ito pa pala yung mga accessories ni Yuji. Ganda nito, yung black flash effects dun sa anime. This is the pwede nyong i-equip via the fist hands. Super nice. Parang Shoryuken effect. Look at that. Actually, dalawa siya eh. So, pwede mong gawin dun sa... Ito. Try natin to. Kabit lang natin Yun Medyo challenging lang magkabit ng mga effect parts. Medyo mabigat na rin kasi pag may effect parts. Pero astig to pag na-compose nyo yung gusto nyo post. Tapos nga pala, meron pa tayong dynamic stand. Yung stand niya, astig, laki. Pwede nyong ilagay dito si Megumi. And pwede nyo rin ilagay dito si, ay, tama ba? Tama. Si UG. There you go. Yung sa accessories pala ni UG, meron ding hand with mouth. Okay, overall, ito yung mga makukuha nyo dun sa box. You have the stand. Ito, gustong gusto ko talaga to. The display stand is very nice. Malaki siya. Acrylic din yung likod. Tapos meron ka pang cardboard printouts na pwede mo lagay sa back and sa floor. Astig. It's a diorama base na meron nakaprint na texture. Super nice addition sa inyong display ng Jujutsu Kaisen. So that's it mga ma'am, sir, ma'am. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.